Alrighty, Blaze Chonto here, and I'm calling out all you Yardington users. I'm calling you out to snitch this video. Tag me in the videos you do, because this is a challenge for you guys. Don't be lame. Tap into the challenge. Okay. Good challenge for all stoners, all Yardingtons users. How many blinkers can y'all take in a row before tapping out? And I'm talking take the blinker, hold it in, take the blinker, hold it in for the first challenge, and then for the second one, how many blinkers can you take in a row while blowing them out? Like you blow them out and then you restart. We're going to see. I was able to take 2.5 on the of just holding it in. So we're going to see how many I could take. And you blow it out and you go right back to it. If you cough, you're disqualified. S2. Three ski. Three ski. Four ski. No cough yet. That's 4. That's 4. Let's see if we can do 5. The urge, man. Five. We're gonna go for 6, and I think 6 is gonna make me tap out. We'll find out. Maybe we'll go for 7 if we can. Six. We're running up 7. We're gonna go for 10 just to do it. 8. 8. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to 10. I'll make it. Right now I'm on 9. Aura. This is Aura for 10. Aura for 10. Can y'all surpass 10 blinks? And still never coughed. Stupid fucking bug. But still never coughed. That's Aura.